Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video here at my favorite place on earth. This IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It is the middle almost of November and it's perfect weather. I mean, this is like Florida weather right here. So I'm going to wander around and kind of see what kind of cars we can find, trucks we can find, SUVs, box trucks, semis, whatever catches my interest, because I sold a couple of cars and I have some money burning a hole in my pocket. So let's see what I can find and see if you might be interested in signing up and buying some cars at IAA, because you can get them for so cheap. Well, when's the last time you saw one of these? 2009 Acura RL, the flagship from the fancy Honda division. Yes, look at this. These were cool cars. Okay, this is all-wheel drive as well. Nice. I like the white. It is good. There is some damage on the front. We'll show you that in just a second. Wheels, though, we got Goodrich Advantage on the front as well. So maybe all the tires match. That's always a good sign. Look at how plush the inside is on this thing. Yes, and you get, there you go, just to stay cool in the sun. I always think that's a nice touch. These are nice. They're not the roomiest cars on the inside, but they are nice. Here's the damage that we're looking at right here. She was involved in a frontal impact. So it was pretty extensive. We have, looks like, some transmission fluid leaking right here. This bar is all bent up. Who knows where the bumper is? Probably still at the scene of the accident. We've got the grill messed up. This headlight is all broken right here. Some of the underneath pieces are right there. The hood, they have taped closed. That's for transport. Other than the front, though, that'll buff out. That's no big deal. The rest of the car looks to be okay. And these are all BF Goodrich Advantage tires. So that's a really good sign. So you need everything under the hood should be replaced. So we can't open the hood or anything. But I don't see these that often in salvage yards or pull-apart yards, so it may be more difficult to source these parts used. Who knows? But I just don't see them when I'm looking for parts for my hoopty fleet. On the inside, this is nice. Not so nice right here. Let's kind of jump inside and see. Woo! Okay, so this is very reminiscent to me of the newer, well, I want to say Infinities, how this kind of swoops down like this and then the center console stack comes out right there. That's nice. It's telling me welcome. See? Welcome. Let's just see what's going to happen. We have a key. Now, this is weird. Do you just turn this? You do. Okay. Here it is. Engine sounds good. I don't want to let it run too long, because if we're throwing out transmission fluid. You got your satellite navigation system right there. Once again, this is a 2009. So you get a big enter. Let's push OK. We're listening to, there you go. Sounded like something NPR would play right there. But heated and cooled seats. Let's see if the cooling works. Check your tire pressure. Okay, how many miles are on this car? I don't see it right yet. Door open. Okay, so we know the door's open. And I can't once again show you the engine or anything because it's all taped down. Check tire pressure. Let's see if I can kind of scroll through this. Here, 144,000 miles right there. This is really kind of nice. It's old school. To me, new school, because I buy old cars. This is not a trash ashtray. Oh, I get some, I get a Visa, and I get a see you soon Loft credit card. How about that? Should we call and see if there's any money left? No, we can't do that. Not at all. Okay. Anyway, we're not going to let it idle for too long because of the transmission fluid. AC is on. How do we make it blow more? Here we go. That sounds pretty good. And it's cold. We got us some cold AC. You know what? I like this. I really do. This would be a good little car. It'd be a fun little project to rebuild. Well, I don't like this. That's not good. But the wood, that is so cool. So you need an airbag on the inside here, but other than that, just a good cleaning. You can get those on eBay all day long. Ha! All right, and its oil was changed at the Express, 146,720. So the oil change is current. Okay, that's good. I got 2,000 miles left, and then I'll have to change the oil. We're gonna write this one down, folks. And yes, even my cooled seat works. This is nice. That is really nice. Okay, mark this one down. If you like it, it's here in Tulsa. This is a good looking car right here. This is a 2020 Kia Stinger. Look at that. This Kia has come so. Wow, they've really upped their game. Yeah, they've come so far. Absolutely. This is beautiful. And there's all kinds of paint protectors on it. Little peel and stick things right here to keep the chips away. Look at the taillights. I love the back of these. I really do. This is a good looking car. Absolutely. This is the GT line. Uh-oh. Okay, even better. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. Let's just kind of see what's going on. Oh. Well, can we even... Hopefully the other side is okay. It just made a sound at me. Okay, that's all right. Look at this, though. I love these. These little... Oh, this is nice. And the tires look good. Do they feel good? Yeah. A little bit of tread left on them. Damage, just the top. Looks like something just kind of fell on it, which isn't a big deal. Now we can get inside because this has been removed on this side. So let's take a look. Or this is broken. Oh goodness, yeah. Okay. Ooh, kind of almost a fruity smell. I don't know what kind of air freshener or whatever that is, but that's a different smell. Interior looks perfect. It really does. Okay, let's take a look at this. Why do you smell so fruity? What is that? This is a little bit... Here, let's fix this for... Oh, here we go. That's the smell. What? It's been bedazzled too. That's the smell. I don't know what that is. Don't breathe it up close. Oh gosh. Okay, we'll put you on this side because I don't want to smell. 40,000 miles. Look at that. Haven't key fobs come a long way? It's on the side. Okay. Here we go. Engine sounds pretty good. Okay, you know everything's gonna work in this thing, right? Yeah. It's just the top. And here, oh! Is there even, you know what? The glass, that's what it is. The glass is broken, and this thing is broken. There's no, ooh. Yeah, so something fell on this and broke the moonroof, and there is some moisture kind of getting in, but that's why they have it covered right there. They're trying to protect it as much as they can, which is great. AC is on. Of course it's gonna be cold. See how it changes? Connect and play last media source. This is nice. This is really nice through here. Okay. We got us a backup camera. Although the engine does kind of stumble when it goes into gear. That's weird. Okay, let's pop the hood and see what we got underneath. All right, here we go. There it is. Boy, you get a lot of empty space right there. Okay, turbo, GDI. And it is not the smoothest, but it's quiet. I'll give it that, okay? We have these extra support. That's just a lot of room for right there. Okay. I'm starting to believe this is a hail damage car because if you look really, really closely, say goodbye to the GDI, you look very closely, you can see little dents like here and here. Excuse me. And there's a lot on the hood, and there's a lot on the roof. See, this is how they protected that. There's a lot right over here, and there's some like I kind of clean this off. See, can you see it? See the waves? So this is a hail damage. And just one big old chunk broke your moonroof right there. But that's okay, I'm not worried about hail damage. This is a good car. And look at the trunk. Look at that. So in a way, it's like an Audi. What is that, A7? I think those are cool cars as well. But this, hey, you can kind of see through right there. Nice. Kind of a hatchback, but it looks like a regular four-door. That is so nice. And this, in a way, is kind of Maserati-like. I could just go on and on about this car. This is nice, okay? I really like this. Let me know what you think. Do you like the Kia Stinger, the GT, with a good amount of tread? All right, here's a big ding right there. There you go. Okay, we're gonna write this one down. Let me know what you think about this car. We're gonna try to find us something else. Can I interest you in a Genesis? Absolutely. Look at this. This is also, I think, a good looking car. Very Mercedes-like with an almost Bentley-like label. Yeah, they do. They look like the S-Class. Are they better than the S-Class? You tell me. I know which one I like. Let me know what you like, okay? 2016 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 H-Track with a flat tire. Nothing major there. I like the back of them too. I love when they integrate the exhaust into the bumper like that. I think that is so cool. I'm just not seeing a whole lot of damage to her. I'm looking for hail damage. I don't see that either. Well, I don't know. So what brings you to this neck of the woods? Okay, let's take a look on the inside and see what she's like. Who knows? Oh. Oh, it's another one. It's another one. Whoa. This, I gotta stop finding these burned out cars. The smell is unbelievable. Look at your owner's manual. Look at that thing. It's like a Bible. This smells so bad. Whoa, and look at all the soot and the, oh, everything is just, I bet it's this another seat heater that caught fire, you think? What was that? That was an S-Class Mercedes that I found last time. Look at all the crap on the seats. Could you fix it? I mean, that will clean up. Use your ozone machine for a couple of weeks, and that'll get rid of the smell. Well, some of it. There is some damage right here. But would it be worth it? These are good cars, but as far as well, what caught fire? It's right here. It's just this part of the seat. And you could probably, see, this just comes off. Look, I'm fixing it. I'm fixing it as we speak. That'll all, okay, so you need a center console. Those buttons will come clean. And a seat bottom. Maybe some wiring. And then a whole lot of faith in your Genesis that it won't catch fire again. This may be, see, I don't know if that's stained or if that would come clean. I don't know. But I think it's fixable. I don't think it's too far gone. It would just take a lot of cleaning. It'd be fun to detail this thing. Or take it to a detail shop and say, have fun. Man, it's a good looking car though. Absolutely. Would you take the risk on this? I am a risk taker. I will tell you that. And I learned in economics and finance, all those classes, that the older you get, the less the more adverse you are to risk. That's how it goes. You're riskier when you're younger because you have lots of time to screw up all your financial mistakes. The older you get, you don't like risk because you don't want to lose it all. Well, some of us have almost lost it all anyway. And we're starting the rebuild process again for the third time, but that's okay. I'm loving what I'm doing now. Anyway, let me know what you think about this Genesis. Would you take the risk? A seat would not be that expensive. Center console, not even that difficult to replace. It's just the cleaning and the smell. That is what would worry me. And with that, we're gonna bring this video to a close. Folks, thank you very much for watching these walk around videos. I do have a lot of fun doing them. And I gotta say, the staff out here at IAA in Tulsa, they are so much fun. They give me a hard time. They'll say, no monkeying around, Mike, and all that kind of stuff. And I'm on a limited time right here. I have to be out by a certain o'clock, and I come kind of close to it. And once I went over that, and they gave me a pretty hard time. So I'm always watching the clock. I'm always watching my clock because I don't want to go past my time and get anybody in trouble. Because it's an honor and it's a privilege to come out here and video these cars. And I have so much fun doing it. Even ones that are burned out like this. Wow, that's a goner, all right? But we're gonna find ones that are nicer and easily rebuilt, like I think this Genesis would be. And I'm still on the hunt for the AMG that I've actually bid on it once. I just wanted to come out here and see it before I bid on it again. It's up for auction tomorrow. So we're gonna go on the hunt for that car, and then I'll show you in a video after the auction is over, okay? Talk to you later, folks. Bye-bye.